Welcome to our channel for reviews of indispensable kitchen utensils. Today, we're going to talk about the amazing Fullstar vegetable chopper. But first, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to stay updated with all the news. Leave your like to help us grow, and watch until the end to check out all the details of this thorough review. To make it easier, we've left a secure link to the site that sells this vegetable chopper in the description. The Fullstar vegetable chopper is a highly popular and versatile kitchen tool, boasting a 4.5 out of 5-star rating from 105,353 reviews. It's the #1 bestseller in the seasoning and spice choppers category, with over 3,000 units sold in the past month. This product measures 9.06-inch LX 10.55, WX 4.92 H, making it a compact yet powerful addition to any kitchen. One of the standout features of this vegetable chopper is its best-in-market functionality. It includes 7 easy-to-change inserts, allowing for a wide range of food preparation options. These inserts include 2 different-sized chopper blades and 2 spiralizer inserts, which can create broad ribbons or thin spirals. This versatility makes the Fullstar vegetable chopper a fantastic gift for both men and women who enjoy cooking. The chopper's rust-resistant blades are another major positive. Made from 420 stainless steel, these heavy-duty blades are perfect for dicing a variety of vegetables, including potatoes, tomatoes, cucumbers, and carrots. The blades maintain their razor sharpness, ensuring crisp and smooth dicing every time. This feature is particularly beneficial for those who want to eat healthier but have limited time for meal prep. Design-wise, the Fullstar vegetable chopper excels with a soft grip handle made of durable teeth view, providing excellent control during chopping. The non-skid rubberized bottom keeps the chopper firmly in place on any surface, whether wet or dry, enhancing safety and ease of use. The product is also BPA-free, ensuring that it is safe for food preparation. A significant advantage of this chopper is its mess-free operation. The catch tray collects all chopped items, making cooking more convenient and reducing cleanup time. The non-slip base adds to the ease of use, ensuring stability during chopping. Additionally, the entire chopper is dishwasher-safe, top rack, making cleaning effortless. Despite its many positives, there are some drawbacks to consider. Some users might find the initial setup and changing of inserts a bit tricky, especially if they are not familiar with multifunctional kitchen gadgets. Additionally, while the chopper is compact, it might still require adequate storage space in smaller kitchens. In conclusion, the Fullstar vegetable chopper is an essential tool for any kitchen, whether you are a novice cook or a seasoned professional. Its versatility, ease of use, and durable design make it a valuable addition to your kitchen arsenal. Backed by a 100% satisfaction guarantee, it is a reliable choice for anyone looking to simplify their food preparation process. Just be sure to read the instruction manual carefully before use to fully utilize its capabilities. Leave your opinion about this vegetable chopper in the comments, and if you have any questions, write them down so I can respond. If you've watched until now, don't forget to leave your like, subscribe to the channel, and activate the bell so you won't miss any new videos.